Hi friends, today I am going to show you how to change the default orientation in Creo. This is one example which I created. It is showing front view as a front view and top view as a top view. But this is the default orientation, but we can change the default orientation as our wish. For that, go to View Manager, click on that, and Orient option is there. In that option, below here you can see the all the views default orientation, all the default views is showing. The front view is a default. These are all default views, but I want to change front view as a top view. For that, right click on front and redefine. These are the type of orientations. We can choose any one. Dynamic orient means by entering the value we can change the orientation view. You can change the orientation by entering the value. This is one process. Orient by reference means here we need to choose the surfaces as a reference. I'm choosing orient by reference. In this process we need to choose the surfaces as reference. Now I'm creating front view as a top view. For that I'm choosing front view as a top view. Sorry, front view. I'm choosing top view as a front view and top view as back view. Now it is created. When said OK, see front view showing as a top view. Previously when click the front view is showing as a front view, but now it is showing as a top view. This is the one process, and we can create separate orientation also. By without disturbing the default orientation, we can create new orientations also. I mean new views. Before that I'm going to change previous orientation. Now it is showing the front view as a front view. This is the default orientation. Now I'm creating new orientation. For that, go to orient and click new option, a new, given in a name and say enter. It will be created. After creating this view, just right click on it and go to redefine, and then I'm creating top view as a front view. For that I'm choosing orient by reference, selecting surfaces, say OK. So now it is created. Here also, when you after created this view also highlighted in this menu manager. What is the use of this orientation means, when you create the drawing, we can change the front view as a top view. See, this is a default view, but I want to front view as a top view. For that we created one orientation. Just double click on it. Now it is showing as a top view as a front view. This is the use of the default. This is the use of orientation, new orientation. See, front view as a top view and top view as a back view. If you enter default views, showing front view as a front default view, hidden and none. This is the default orientation, and the projection will be top view. This is the one process. This is the use of orientation. Thanks for watching. For more updates, please subscribe my channel for free. Thank you.